Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the future? Join me as we dive into the world of cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious mind, or simply looking to stay ahead of the curve, my channel has something for you. From artificial intelligence and virtual reality to biotechnology and space exploration, we cover the latest trends and breakthroughs that are shaping our world. So sit back, relax, and join the Future Toolbox family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. It's time to get your hands on the most advanced tools that will give you an edge in 2025. Are you ready to take your productivity, creativity, and efficiency to the next level? Then grab your digital toolbox and let's explore the top 5 AI tools you should be using in 2025. First up on our list is Notion AI, a versatile tool that can assist with everything from generating ideas to managing tasks. Whether you're a writer looking for inspiration or a student needing to organize their notes, Notion AI has got you covered. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, allowing you to brainstorm ideas, write blog posts, and manage your to-do list with ease. Next on our list is ChatGPT, an incredibly useful tool that can help you with various tasks such as writing scripts, composing emails, and even generating marketing ideas. This AI-powered chatbot is perfect for those who want to save time and effort in their daily tasks. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand your queries and provide relevant responses in seconds. Pictory. AI is a revolutionary tool that allows you to create faceless videos in minutes by simply pasting your text. With its advanced AI technology, Pictory analyzes your input and generates stunning visuals to accompany your script, complete with subtitles and voiceover. It's an ideal solution for those who want to create engaging video content without having to show their face. Canva Magic Studio is a game-changing tool that utilizes AI to create stunning designs, animations, and text-to-image and text-to-video. With its user-friendly interface, you can generate cinematic intros, eye-catching thumbnails, and YouTube banners in seconds. Canva Magic Studio is a must-have tool for designers, marketers, and anyone looking to create professional-looking graphics. CapCut, Descript, and Veed.io are 3 fantastic tools that leverage AI to make video editing easier and more efficient. These tools offer features such as auto-edit, captions, and noise removal, making it possible to create polished videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or someone looking to improve their video quality, these tools are definitely worth exploring. In conclusion, these 5 AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and game-changing tools to hit the market. So it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI technology and to be willing to adapt and learn new skills. The future is bright for those who embrace the power of AI, and I encourage you to do the same. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends so they too can benefit from these amazing AI tools. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our insightful and informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tool hunting. Now that you've unpacked your tools and got a good look at what each one brings to the table, let's talk about why these tools are essential in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. In this section, we'll discuss how these tools can help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of your digital toolbox. First up is Notion AI, a tool that can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and efficient is crucial, especially for knowledge workers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Notion AI offers a range of features that can streamline your workflow and help you achieve your goals faster. For instance, its Smart Assistant function can help you generate ideas, write blog posts, and manage your to-do lists, all within the same platform. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the cognitive load of switching between different applications. By leveraging Notion AI's powerful features, you can stay on top of your tasks and achieve your objectives with ease. ChatGPT is another valuable tool that can help you communicate more effectively and generate creative content quickly. In a world where communication is key, being able to express yourself clearly and concisely is essential. ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities make it an ideal tool for generating human-like text that can enhance your communication. Whether you need help writing scripts for your YouTube videos, composing emails, or coming up with marketing ideas, ChatGPT can assist you in producing high-quality content that meets your needs. Its ability to understand context and generate relevant responses makes it a powerful ally for anyone looking to create engaging and effective content. Pictory. AI is a game-changing tool for those who want to create professional-looking videos without the need for expensive equipment or a team of experts. In today's digital age, video content is more important than ever before. However, producing high-quality videos can be a daunting task, especially for individuals or small businesses with limited resources. With Pictory's advanced AI technology, you can transform your text into stunning visuals complete with subtitles and voiceover in just minutes. This makes it easier than ever for anyone to create faceless videos that are perfect for social media, marketing campaigns, or educational purposes. Canva Magic Studio is a must-have tool for designers, marketers, and anyone looking to create eye-catching visuals quickly and easily. In a highly visual world, having the ability to create stunning graphics and videos is an invaluable skill. Canva Magic Studio's AI-powered design engine enables users to generate cinematic intros, attention-grabbing thumbnails, and YouTube banners in seconds. Now, this makes it a popular choice for businesses and individuals who need to produce high-quality visuals on a regular basis. With its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates, Canva Magic Studio is the perfect tool for bringing your creative vision to life. Finally, CapCut, Descript, and Veed. IO are essential tools for anyone looking to create and edit professional-looking videos efficiently. In the age of social media and online content, having the ability to create and edit high-quality videos is a valuable skill. These tools offer features such as auto-edit, captions, and noise removal, making it easier than ever before to produce polished videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, podcaster, or looking to improve the quality of your video content, these tools are sure to come in handy. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that you need to start using in 2025. These tools are not only changing the way we work, but also the way we create and interact with the world around us. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just someone looking to stay ahead of the curve, these tools are worth checking out. If you've already tried any of these tools, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. And if you're looking for more AI-related content, don't forget to check out other videos on artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and happy tool hunting.